These cinnamon sausage rolls will make you the life of the party. They are savory and sweet, only 2 ingredients, absolutely delicious. It comes with the glaze inside the cinnamon rolls, and I added maple syrup to it to give it some extra taste, or zip, I should say. So if you want to see how I made these, keep watching. Okay guys, here's the ingredients for cinnamon sausage rolls. You'll need a package of little smokies. I guess they're cocktail smokies. And I'm using 8 in a package cinnamon rolls by Pillsbury. And you cut them in half and it'll give you a total of 16. So welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer, channel of quick, easy weeknight meals. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. You need a baking sheet that I line with parchment paper. I have my oven set at 400 degrees. And another little trick you might want to try is put a wet cloth down under your cutting board. That will keep it from moving when you're cutting everything. So let me turn the camera around. Let's get cooked. Okay, so I've unwrapped the cinnamon rolls and I'm taking them apart, and there's 8. So you should end up with 16 little smokies, and it comes with its own glaze that comes with it. So what I'm going to do is cut these in half. And I want to use the cinnamon side on the inside. That's why I'm cutting them with the cinnamon side up, because the cinnamon will burn easily at 400 degrees before it gets really cooked through. I want to thank you guys for checking out my channel. You guys that know me, welcome back. You know, I upload 2 videos a week, and I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. So then you take the little smoky and you kind of pat it out a little bit, and you want to roll this up like so. Very simple. It's kind of like pigs in a blanket, and a quick little easy appetizer snack if you're having people over. And it's sweet and savory with the cinnamon rolls. And my husband loves little smokies, so I thought this would be a cute little trick, little snack for him. He doesn't know I'm making these for today. It's not a game day, it's Friday. And you just want to press them down really hard and make sure they're really sealed, because these will burn very easily. So that's the only bad thing about these. So you have to watch them depending on your oven. And it's supposed to go at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, there's 16 of them. I just kind of plopped them down. You want to make sure they're spaced out. I don't know how much these are going to rise, but I'm going to put these in the oven, start at about 15 minutes and start checking them, because they should cook for about 20 minutes. This is how they look in the oven after about 10 minutes. So got about another 10 minutes to go. There you have it. It took about 18 minutes. And you see they're beautifully cooked. Do not let them burn. And try not to let them get close, and make sure you use parchment paper so they don't stick. I want to thank you guys for watching, and those of you who don't know me, upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And please like, subscribe, and share if you like this video. Let me tell you guys my joke. This is how you make the dipping sauce. This comes with the Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. And you just want to empty this into a microwavable container. And I'm using just plain old Kroger syrup, maple syrup. And add as much as you like. Just adding a good squeeze. And then mix this together. And then you want to microwave this for a couple minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm sorry, that only takes 20 to 30 seconds, not a couple minutes. So there you have it, sweet and savory dish for an appetizer. People will love you for this. They're sweet and they're savory with the little smokies on the inside and rolled encapsulated in a cinnamon muffin. So let me tell you guys my joke. A man with a pet monkey entered a bar and ordered a beer. The monkey was sitting by the man's side at first, but soon started growing interest in the pool table. After some time, he suddenly jumped from the bar, landed on the pool table, and interrupted the ongoing game by swallowing one of the balls on the table. The man who brought the monkey in apologized and promised to sort out the problems he caused, and then left the bar. A few days later, the man returned to the bar with the monkey and the ball, which he had given to the bartender. This time, the monkey spots a ball of grapes on the end of the counter, and he once again leaves the man's side. But the bartender notices that the monkey carefully pushes every grape inside his butt before he picks it out and eats it. So the bartender then asks why. Why is he doing that? The man says, well, after he got that ball out of his system, he started to measure everything before he eats. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. I love to respond to all my comments. And you guys have a great evening, and God bless. And thank you so much for watching.